I've been sent 2 products from OneTigris to check out today. The first one is a bottle holder, and the next one is, it's called an IFAK pouch. Translated to you and me, it's first aid kit. I think it's called individual first aid kit. IFAK sounds cooler. So, start with the simple one, the water bottle. Oh, by the way, they all come in this pouch. So let's have a little look at this. So you've got, I like the way all this stuff feels like they've used some good materials on there. They're never the lightest products in the world. They're more built for abuse. And I do like to abuse my products. So it's better if they're a little bit more hard wearing for me. So I tend to just chuck stuff about. If we look at the front, we got a Velcro patch system. Have I got any Velcro patches? There we go. Bosh. So you can stick any patch on there. It's obviously not the best shape, that one, but personalise it at the front anyway. Now you've got a clip here and a drawstring to adjust, and you can put any size water bottle in there. First one, I've got a 1 litre, quite a chunky thing, so I mean this, I wouldn't expect this to fit. Let's have a look. I might have to make it bigger. So there's drawstrings at the bottom which let you adjust the size, and now it's a tight squeeze but it fits. So that is a chunky bottle, and then the clip for it goes right over the top into there. Now at the back, to attach this, is a molle system. If you've got a rucksack like this, this will attach straight on the front of that. You go in between these to attach any way you like, and it'll have it at the sides and the front. Or the other thing you can do is put it on your belt. So those will just go over your belt. You might have clips on the other thing you're using, and you can use the molle system on this instead then. So it's quite a versatile bottle holder. Let's swap this out. So I've got an even bigger one, yeah, this is a 1.5 litre now. It should fit just as well. So it's about the same sort of size as the other one. I don't think you're going to get that. Oh, I might be wrong. Okay, so that'll still fit over the top like that. And if it was a smaller bottle, you could pull these to make it tighter. So that is the water bottle holder. So moving on to the first aid kit. Now it's got the same sort of labels on there. Okay, so it's YKK zips, which we like. It's Duraflex buckles and snap buttons. Here is the pouch up close. So the first thing I like with this, being a first aid kit, you've got a zip either side, but you will need to use this in an emergency. So you grab on the red handle, hold down, and I've got access to all your kit instantly. So there's a number of pouches again. Got one at the back, one at the front with an elasticated top for it. We've got elastics at the sides to put things. If there's something long, you can put them in there. And then we've got elastics all the way down the front as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I like is they're all slightly different sizes as well. You fit different things in. And there's quite a lot of space in that thing. So onto the outside, it looks a little bit like a mini rucksack. So you've got places to put things down the side of the bag, and then a Velcro strap to hold them in place, however tight you need it. There's a little tab there to put something in small, maybe a pen or something like that, and the same the other side. On the front, got a drawstring just to hold it all in place. Or you could put something down the front here, something for easy access. And then we've got, it's all going through these strapping parts. You could easily hook something onto here as well. At the back, we've got the molle system again. So you can either attach something to here, maybe you want two attached together or something, who knows. Or you can use this to attach it to a rucksack, your belt, any other sort of webbing like that. There we go. Yeah, it's a tidy looking thing, I think. Will I be using this? Yes, I definitely will. That is one thing I'm lacking, is a water bottle holder. Like I say, it's a little heavy duty. It's not the lightest thing ever. But the way I treat my gear, I do kind of need the heavier duty stuff. It's not obvious to me how we could improve that. I think it is what it is. Heavy duty water bottle holder. Yeah, I think that's a tidy thing. First aid kit. To be honest, I think this is a little bigger than what I'm used to. Especially if I'm going up the mountains or something, I like to keep things nice and light. But if it was in the woods, and you're playing with axes, saws, you will need a more comprehensive first aid kit. This will be getting used. I think what I'll do, I'll probably be keeping this in the car. And then, like I say, if I am going to be playing with axes and saws, it'll be coming with me. But I think most of the time this is going to live in the car. I'll fill this up with all first aid gear. I've seen people putting a patch that says ouch pouch. I definitely want one of them. And the same thing again, I don't think it could be improved much, you know? It just is what it is. So both these items were gifted to me by OneTigris. If you're interested in them, I'll put the links below for you. If you want to get yourself either one of those. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be out camping again soon once my back sorts itself out. Cheers.